specific details. Once you get the cargo to Africa, you'll get paid.
The exports are dealt with?
They're so fucking happy. They're going blind. So, how'd you like Shanghai, Kane?
It's fucked. I hate it.
Yeah, I love it too. You know you can get your hair washed and a shag for 51. Bloody brilliant. Yeah, I'll take you out sometime. This town was built for people like us. Ain't that the truth? just happened?
I don't know.
You! Shut it! Get that bloody door open! I'm gonna have a sodding heart attack!
What happened out there?
Don't get your knickers in a twist! I nearly got killed out there, not you!
It's a goddamn street war. We need a plan. Is there an exit?
Straight ahead!
Good. And call for a pickup. I don't believe this.
Good idea! Finally, I'm getting my money's worth. You, what's the bloody number?
Speed dial 2.
Hello? Yes, me! We're in a situation. I need a pickup. Yeah. You might need the lads as well. Well, I don't fucking care if your mum's got fucking head cancer! But you just get here! What's the situation? Fucking cops!
Let's go! Blazer! Find cover!
I'm going in!
Okay, it's gonna be okay.